Hello, got a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan here. We'll do a little walk around video for you. Do a demonstration of the outside. Paint lift right here. Rotate any items as we go around. Overall, the vehicle's in good shape. A little scrape here. It's got good tires on it as well. Got a little door ding right above the handle there. There's a little scrape here. Get a dent and some paint chip right there. And there's a little bit of chrome lift right here. This is the SXT model from Dodge. And it was converted by VMI, so it has the VMI Summit conversion on it. Got a little scrape here. Scrape on the door. Okay, so how this works, this is a fully integrated system. As long as the vehicle is unlocked, you can click that door button twice there. That's going to activate the door sequence. The door is going to open, ramp's going to come out. And it's actually also going to kneel down here. That way it reduces your ramp angle, makes it lower. That way a manual chair or power chair can come up in here. And once you get up into the vehicle, you have a 3-row bench seat back here. They removed the middle row seats here and lowered the floor, and then they added this rear floor rubberized flooring there. 2 front seats are removable. Those pedestals allow the seats to come out. So you can have a person up front in either position, and with the proper equipment you can have a wheelchair driver. 3-zone climate control, radio, AM, FM, CD player, cruise control, all your switches on the door there, and then you have power on and off for the doors on the right button, and you have a left and right door, and then power lift gate. And then to close the vehicle, you can either use that button there or the button on the key fob, which is what we'll do. It's right side of the car. You just click that twice. The ramp's going to start coming up. The vehicle's going to raise back up here, and then the door shuts as well. So this is all fully integrated into the original Dodge key. You don't have to press and hold another fob or anything like that. And then the power tailgate, you just click that twice. That's going to open up here. And then that way, if you're short like me, you don't have to reach up and pull it down. You can actually hit the button. There's a door button here, or the one on the fob. You've got your wheelchair restraints there. And then you've got underneath your spare tire, your computer system to operate all of the ramp and everything. When you close that tailgate, it's going to beep at you 3 times and then shut. And this is a power door on the side as well. And then this is a fold-out ramp, so the ramp does sit next to the door there. They made it low enough so you can still access the door handle if you ever needed to actually open the door. Otherwise, the door switches are inside as well. Power driver's seat. Overall, vehicle is in great shape. Thank you so much for watching.